What is up, my fellow stackers? I went a little crazy. What is up? What's going on? Plumber Stacker here. Gonna show you my latest pickups for my stack and for the auction. So mind you, this is not all for me. It's for you if you come to my auctions. So let's get started with the heavy stuff. I love the ship coins. So I got myself a ship bar. This is 250 grams. It's not a 10 ounce. Beautiful bar. So this is my stack. I got another 10 ounce flag bar. I sold mine off a while ago. Most of you know why. So I had to pick up another one. Again, my stack. I have been picking up some more silver for myself. Spots down. Inflation is an issue. So I'm expecting prices to get a little higher. Silver's gone up a little bit. Gold's gone up a little bit. I bought all these before the slight jump that we recently had. I do believe it'll continue. I've talked to a few other people that are really into charts. We've been in a bullish pattern for a while, and I think now it's probably going to start to explode. Maybe not explode, but, you know, get up there a little bit, maybe back toward the 30. Don't see it breaking 30 by the end of the year. I hope not, because I do have a 1 ounce wager with somebody out there. So there's some 10 ounces for you. Most of these 10 ounces are my stack. This is going to actually be used for melting purposes, that one. And then I got 2 of these also to be melted to make some wrenches and stuff like that, you know. I like to have fun. 100 gram Geiger bar, my stack. I love these things. I like the older school stuff. Not that that's an old school type of thing, but it is like the older type, you know. There's another 5 ounces. This is auctionable. Probably go up in the auction. Another from my stack. The premium on this was tough, though. Got a great deal. Great deal. It's under 300, so I think I'm going to keep that one. I like that. I like that quite a bit, actually. So now we're going to get into some shiny stuff. The yellow stuff. Here is a 5 gram Geiger. And I believe all of you know the premiums on Geigers. These things are just absolutely beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to sell this one or not. I have not. I just don't know. I love the gold Geigers. I wasn't the Geigers for a while, but the gold Geigers, they're just a little bit, they're better. I mean, they're just beautiful. That's probably not going to focus too well. I got 3 of those 1 grammers. Those are going to be auctioned off. I got some Pamp Gold for the auction. I'm not going to try to focus all this stuff in. It'll take me all day to do that. Couple cat busts. I got a 1833 and an 1835. I did just start collecting these, so these are going to go into my stack. I think I'm going to fill up an album. I know they don't have an album just for cat busts, but they do have an album that I can put them in, put various things in there. Here's a seated $50. You know, I love Morgans, and I absolutely love Morgans, but I've reached the point to where it's just getting so expensive to buy the rare years, and I just don't know if I want to spend that much money. I mean, I might occasionally here pick up a Morgan. I'm probably going to start doing a Morgan book just to feed my Morgan sickness, if you will. Here's a trade dollar. Not cleaned, surprisingly. This is going into my stack. I don't have any of those. Those are very rare. Don't come across those too often. I've had a lot of people ask me about them. I actually sold 2 of them outside of the auction because there's not many people that come in there looking for, you know, things of those types. So I reach out to the few people that I know that collect those things, try to give them a good deal on it, you know. Here's a half-ounce Gold Eagle. My first one right here, half-ounce Gold Eagle. Very excited about this. This is mine. All mine. All mine. And I got yet another, because you can't have the Type 1 and not have the Type 2. So here's the Type 2 half-ounce Gold Eagle. I like that design. I really do. I think it's better than the Type 1. I really do. Not so much on the silver, maybe the proof, reverse proofs, but the gold, absolutely. I like that a lot better. More defined, I think, you know. This is some more gold. I'm not 100% on all the history and everything on this type of coin. I will look it up before I do put this up for auction. It's a beautiful, beautiful coin. But I got it close to spot, so I picked it up, you know, tested, Sigma tested. Everything's been Sigma tested because a $10,000 purchase. I went a little crazy. I'm not going to lie about it, but I felt that I was collecting a little bit too much, so I figured I would pick up some 10 ounces to kind of boost my stack pretty quick. I didn't pick up a bunch of, generic silver or anything like that. I like to do the 10 ounces, the 5 ounces. Constitutional, I've really gotten into a bit. And of course, your Eagles here. Some of these will be up for auction because I got a pretty good deal on those. This is 2019. There's 20 of them there. Got a really good deal on that, so I picked that up. And again, it was just deal after deal that I was running into. So I felt that, you know, it was a good time to pick up some stuff. Possibly flip some of it. I'm definitely not going to keep that amount for my own personal stack. I think that's too much too fast. So a lot of that stuff will be sold or auctioned, traded. You know, I'm always up for trades as well. I showed you the ones that I'm going to melt. So that's always, it's always fun to melt some silver, especially 10 ounces of silver. You ever see those melt? And I picked this up, which I thought was really, really neat. There's 7 Benjis in there, all gem proof. I paid a little bit too much probably, but they're beautiful Benjis. And there I go with the Constitutional, and I don't know what it is, but anytime I get like the Constitutional silver, I immediately go to the proofs or the BUs. You know, I don't know why, and I know that I shouldn't, because you're gonna get a better deal if you stay away from stuff like that. I got some quarters. There's 2 rolls of quarters right there. You know how many giveaways I do, so I always, if I see a deal on quarters, I will buy them immediately, because I probably give, in a month's time, this tube will be gone easily. You know, I love doing giveaways. I love having fun with everybody into the chat, giving everybody an opportunity to win. Just fun, you know. My auctions aren't about, you know, always pushing product on people. I like for you to have fun. I like to do these bin frees. You know, I give away an ounce of silver to my members. If you're a member and you're in my chat during my auction, I do a bin free. If you win, you get an ounce of silver for free. So that pays for your membership for however long. So just another thing out there, just in case you're seeing me live and not joining, you should join, because there's lots and lots of free silver. Here's a nice roll of walkers. Atmix, though. It's not original roll. I really wish it was an original roll. Got 2 of those. Haven't decided if I'm going to keep or sell those. A full roll of walkers, they should, you know, bring a little bit of a premium in there, but I don't know. You know, it's when you get things that you don't see often, it's so hard to let them go. So there we go with my desk theory. I let it sit on my desk. If it stays there for longer than a month, I sell it. That means I really don't want it because it didn't make its way into my safe. So I let it go. And normally I make money off stuff like that, but not always. These are some BU Kennedys. First one's not looking that great. I did put some gloves on it and inspect these. These are all really nice Kennedys. Very nice Kennedys. These are going into my stack, of course. What else did I grab? Well, I got some Valcambis. I got 2 of these. What are these? 2.5 gram Valcambis. These will be up for auction. I've been trying to collect more gold, stack more gold, if you will. Don't really call myself a stacker anymore because I love collecting. I bought some type books, so I'm gonna be getting into the type books and you know, filling up my. I gotta get some Morgans. I gotta buy Morgans. I love Morgans so much. I just have to. And then to cap it off, I haven't kept a tally. I did. I got some gold here too. Not. I didn't buy all of this in this batch, but there's a couple in there that I did buy. There's no reason to break them out and show everybody. But my pride and joy that I just recently picked up has to be this right here. And now I've had many conversations with what is the best reverse proof you've seen. You can't get much better than this, but I do think the American Silver Eagles still got it. I still got it. When you look at them and you put them up next to this, and I don't think I have one nearby, so I can't show you, but it's just a beautiful sight. It's a beautiful sight. I mean, another super premium right here. Super duper premium right here. These are into my stack, and I will never let these go. These are absolutely beautiful. I mean, I don't know what else to say. So there you, well, wait, got one more thing. Got another gram. These things are really neat. These, like, on the back, it's holographic. I doubt that it, oh, there you go. It does show. How fast? 10 grand goes just like that. And I was really hesitant of spending so much money. But again, I do think the price is going to go up. You know, a lot of stuff right there. And to see how fast you can go through $10,000. Actually, it was a little over $10,000, but you know, I am going to sell a lot of it. Again, that's not all for my stack. I really wish I could afford to do something like that, but I can't. And it's nice, though. It's nice to be able to hold and have all this silver in there, knowing that spot is going to go up a little bit. I don't know that, but I have a very good feeling that it will. I think I got some pretty neat pickups. I think the auctions are going to be really fun. I would like to shout out one person really quick, Kentucky John. Awesome sticker. Thanks for sending that out. Check him out. He's just starting his channel out. He's a big Silver Shield collector. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed all of this silver and a little bit of gold. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do everything. We're going to 2K. 2K parties very soon, so get it out there. Do a shout out video for me, and you'll be entered to win 1/10 ounce of gold. See ya. Thanks for watching the Plumber Stacker, where I show you my stack, but not my crack. Please like, share, and subscribe.